Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi wa kafa, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillahi mustafa wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa man wafa.
First of all, let's say thanks to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has given us guidance, happiness, healthy and mercy, so we can attend and participate in this special event without any obstacle. Praise and salutation upon our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who had brought us to the path of light from the darkness in this life.
The honorable judges of the 35th Province Competition of Musabaqah Tilawatul Quran 2022 in Bandar Maryah Regency, English Quran Interpretation. The honorable Kafilas official of Province Competition Musabaqah Tilawatul Quran all over Aceh, and especially to all of the contestants.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Winsa Putra and my partner Tarmizi. It's a precious chance for us to be your master of ceremony on this very special occasion.
The honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen, today, Monday, June of 2022, let's begin this event by reciting Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, today there will be 6 mufassir and also 7 mufassirah.
The first participant we call number TF001. TF001. Time is yours.
Untuk peserta pertama pada hari ini, kita panggilkan nomor peserta TF001, dipersilakan.
Next, the participant number TF002. Please be ready for your performance.
Agar bersiap-siap untuk nomor peserta TF002. Terima kasih.
Bahasa Inggris bahasa Indonesia 29 masing-masing. Nah, ini jadwal untuk ulang itu bahasa Arab gue.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was the performance from number TF001 from Loksemawi.
Dewan Hakim dan para hadirin yang baru saja tampil dengan nomor TF001 berasal dari kota Loksemawi.
The next performance we call the participant number TF002. The participant TF002, times yours.
Peserta selanjutnya kami panggilkan dengan nomor TF002. TF002, disilakan.
Please be ready for the next contestant, number TF003.
Dan bersiap-siap peserta dengan nomor TF003.
Honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen, that was the performance from number TF006 that was the last performance for today. Inshallah, tomorrow we will continue this event on 8:30 a.m. Please be on time.
Finally, we come to the end of this event. To close this event, let's reciting Basmalah. Hamdalah.
Oh, Indonesia Pak. Hadirin yang apa? Itulah tadi penampilan terakhir.
Dewan Hakim dan para hadirin, itulah tadi penampilan terakhir dengan nomor TF 009. Insya Allah besok akan kita sambung kembali acara pada jam 8.30.
Kepada seluruh ofisial kami mohon untuk dapat hadir tepat waktu. Terima kasih.
Finally, we come to the end of this event. To close this event, let's reciting Hamdalah. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin.
Billahi taufiq.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.